Welcome back to the channel. Today's video is about making buildings in GN15 scale using blue insulation foam that you could find at your DIY shop or a Home Depot. One of the tasks is to have a sharp X-Acto knife and this blue construction foam. I bought it in 4 feet by 8 foot sheets, and that is the most economical way of doing it. Here I'm making row upon row of sharp cuts, not going all the way through, but here they're 2 millimeters high. Now in this shot, I am making the bricks that are 8 millimeters wide. And the first thing is to use the knife to make the cuts using a template so that your brick coursework is somewhat regular shape. Next, I used a plastic card to start rounding off the bricks so they have a little bit more definition. And I also used a sculptor's tool to also do the sides of the brick. This way it gives the brick a little bit more character, more roundness and definition than just slits on a blue foam. This gives it a lot more realistic shaping. Here again is the plastic card being used to go up and down to round up the top and the bottom of each course. Since I wanted to model broken stucco on my walls, I got my hot wire foam cutter out to cut thin sheets of blue foam. And here you see me cutting out some little patches that are duplicates of what is already on this wall. And this will give it a little bit more relief. So I'm cutting carefully the shapes, and then I will glue these pieces onto the wall as like this, so that it gives it extra relief. After the glue dried, I scribed some cracks in the stucco to give it a little bit more interest. You can also remove some of the bricks to give it a lot more interest. Here I am spreading some diluted white glue, PVA to some of you, to give the blue foam a little bit more firmness so that the next step, the paint will take better. Here I'm giving a layer of brown paint. After the base coat, I painted the bricks of brick colors. And then I used tile grout to represent the mortar. Here I am spreading the mortar dry and fill it into the various cracks of the wall. And then after spreading the tile grout, I then proceeded to spritz the entire surface with alcohol, and then followed with diluted white PVA glue and to seal in the tile grout. After the tile grout dried, I finished painting the roof, added details to the building to finish off the model. This has been a really fun project, and I think it added a lot to the layout. Hope you liked the video. Please like and subscribe.